Hello, I'm going to show you how to file income tax quarterly update for rental income using 123 sheets. You would first need to download a rental income filing template. You can do so from here by clicking on Download Filing Worksheet and choosing the version you need. The filing process between software is the same. For this example, I need to download the Excel 2010 Plus version. When you are logged into your account, you can also download a filing template from your homepage. You can either keep this filing template as a standalone spreadsheet, or you can integrate it with your existing bookkeeping template as I have done here with this example data. To fill in the template, click on the box for rental income, press equals on your keyboard, find the relevant sum figure from your bookkeeping, click on it, and press enter. Fill in these other income sources if applicable as well using the same method. If you are under the VAT threshold, you can use consolidated expenses by clicking this box here and transpose the figures similar to how we filled the income boxes before. Otherwise, you need to fill in each category here. If you are using consolidated expenses, residential financial costs still need to be filed separate from the consolidated amount. When done, click Save and the figures are saved. This also works if you have the filing template and your bookkeeping spreadsheet separate, like in this example. Then, while logged into your account, you can click Home, and here on the To Do tab, you can see the outstanding returns. The data on the To Do and History tabs are all live data provided by HMRC, and if you have self-employment income, it would show up here as well. In this example, the first quarterly update has already been filed and can be viewed in the History tab, where you can view and amend the filing. Back on the To Do page, click on File. If you are filing for foreign property, you will first be asked to choose the country that your property is in from this drop-down menu. From this page, you need to choose the file type from these options here. Since we are using Excel, we need to pick Excel. If you filed using consolidated figures, check this box. Then, you need to upload your file by either dragging and dropping the file, clicking Add File and then Show Figures, or click on Choose File, find your file from the window pop-up and click Upload. You will then be shown the uploaded figures. Double check and verify that these figures are correct, tick the confirmation box and click File. You will get a confirmation that HMRC has accepted the return. Thank you for watching and feel free to try out our demo and set up an account.